Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming compatibility and powering the wheelbase. This ensures the device can communicate and receive firmware. Once done, plug the wheel into the Xbox USB port or use the manufacturer's official adapter. Make sure the console is on and you're signed in. You should see the wheel power LED. If a firmware update prompt appears, accept it. Doing updates now prevents later driver conflicts. Finally, enable the wheel as a controller in Xbox settings so the console recognizes inputs immediately. Now you calibrate and configure so the wheel behaves predictably in-game. First, run the wheel utility app or use the game's controller menu to center and calibrate steering. This aligns sensors and prevents drift. Next, set steering rotation degrees and adjust force feedback strength. Lower values are gentler. Higher values give stronger resistance. Choose what feels natural. Make sure pedals and shifter are assigned correctly and tweak dead zones to avoid accidental throttle or brake input. Once mapped, save a named profile for each game or car type. Finish by testing the wheel in a short in-game session to confirm steering response, pedal sensitivity, and force feedback realism. Small laps reveal calibration needs. Make sure the wheel is clamped or bolted down and pedal plates are stable to prevent movement that alters input feel. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting trick. Restart the console, disconnect and reconnect the wheel, and reflash firmware if available. This often clears recognition or FFB problems. Finally, save your working profile and you're ready to rate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.